So this is beginning of part B, and for each of the parts in here I'm going to do a separate video because there's going to be so many parts of these things, and I'm going to put a video link in here of your instruction with it as well. So the instruction will probably be as you're seeing this with it, as I develop this with it. So this part will be part B that you will be viewing in here with it. So there will be a link right here, which is the video that you are watching right now. Well, and for step one, the first thing I need for everybody to do is to grab this, highlight this URL right here, copy it, and go to your web browser for me. And if you could, just find a web browser and paste that in there, and I need for you to pick one of these. Well, it's actually two. One of these operating system that you have, Windows or Mac, with it. So pick your how many bits you have and all that with it, and you download this thing, and you click on, if it's Firefox, you click on here in this download right here to download to, and you run the executable with it. Both of these softwares are free, so there's no need to pay anything with this. Well, accept the default settings with it, and just install it. That's all you need to do. That's number one with it. So it's like installing software with it. I hope you're comfortable right now. You should be familiar with some sort of IDE, Integrated Development Environment, with it. We're going to use the Visual Code is the IDE for this course for as well. Okay, so this will conclude part B. Make sure you have this installed for step number one for me. All right, I'm going to stop the video right now.